So here is the third measurement of central tendency, which is the mode. Mode is the most occurring item. So if I look at these items 104, 98, 90, 85, 104, 104, what you need to do is which of these numbers is most frequently occurring. So if I see 104, 104 is coming 3 times here, 98 is coming 1 time here, 90 is coming 1 time, 85 is coming for the 1 time here. So based on that I can say that 104 is the most occurring item. So that way the mode is 104. Where you use mode? You use mode where you want to find out which is the one which is most occurring. Let's say if I have a shirt manufacturing company, I manufacture shirts and you know that people have different sizes. So the sizes could be 30, 34, 38, whatever sizes these are. But then once I take the survey of the population and then I find out that what are the sizes people have, and then what I need to do is focus on those sizes of the shirt which is most occurring, because I need to increase my sale. I really cannot make 1000 shirts, let's say, for each of these sizes. So what I need to do is I need to focus on the sizes which are most occurring. So if I say that in this population, let's say a majority of people have a size of 34, then what I need to do is I need to focus on that particular shirt size. So that's one example of mode where you can use mode as against mean or median. So with this we complete our discussion on 3 measurements of central tendency: mean, median and mode. Mean is the average, median is the central value when you arrange the data in ascending or descending order, and the mode is the most occurring item, most occurring number. With this, let's move on to the next item, which is the measurement of dispersion. Let's do that on the next video.